know you can use AI to generate your very own professional looking websites in just a matter of minutes? If yes, then you've come to the right video, because in today's video, we'll be learning how we can use AI to generate our very own professional looking website in just a few minutes. So without further ado, I'm Krital Shruti from Web Creators, and let's get started. To create your website, first of all, you're going to go to the URL section and search for zipwp.com and then press enter. Then it will take you to this page. Click on build your free site now. Next, it will ask the name of your website. I'm going to write The Diners. Then tell it what type of website you are building. So I'm going to write restaurant. You can choose the type of English language you want. I'm going to go for English as it is default, and then click next. Then describe your what your business or website is about. I'm going to write this website is about this website restaurant has great food quality, gets awesome reviews, and is popular all over the world. Now, if you don't want to write the whole prompt, you can just simply click on improve using AI and wait a few seconds. Then, as you can see, AI has written everything for you. Then, when you're satisfied, click next. Then tell it about tell it your email. I'm going to write simply just abc@gmail.com. Then comes the phone number. I'm going to write there you go. And then the address, I'm just going to write ABC Road and blah blah blah. And then you can also add social media links, but I'm good, so I'll click enter or next. Then select it has given you the images you may want to add, so I'm just going to select them. These look quite nice. I'm just randomly selecting them. I'm not really looking at them because or else the video would be too long. I think I'm good with these, so I'm just going to click on next. It will take quite some time because we've selected quite a lot of images. As you can see now, it is generating our preview. Now, you cannot choose the options which says premium over here. You can choose them without that, because we are using a free plan. All of them look very nice, if you ask me. Okay, this one looks nice. Let's look at this one. Nah, I think this one is good, so I'm just going to click over here. Now it has taken you over here. Now what's next is you can upload your site logo. I'm just going to put a simple pizza logo which I created. Next you can change the font pair, but I think I'm good with this only. You can also change the space and style. but I think I'm good with the previous one, so let it be. You can also see the responsive preview. And then when you're satisfied, click continue. Then select the features. I'm going to select them all. You can select it according to your wish, and then click on start building. It is asking me to sign up, so let's sign up with Google. Okay, I've been logged in. Now click on start building. It will preview all the website details you've given it, and when you're satisfied, click on start building the website. This may take a bit of time because our website is big, so don't worry. It might take about a few seconds to build your website, but it's worth it. Now, as you can see, it has made our website, and our website is live on the internet. Yes, you heard it right. It's live without any, you can say, other domain names. Although the URL has a subdomain. Anyways, you can copy this, the login details, and then if you want to see your website, click over here. And ta-da! Your website is live on the internet. If you want to edit, you can just click on edit page and blah blah. But I think it's very nice. It is totally responsive. You can do, like, there are so many options, and I think the person would be quite happy with this. Fantastic. Let's see if this works. Send message. There you go. It has been done. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Bye.